Good morning, all dear students. Myself Deepika Dhanmani, and I am heartily welcome you all the students of 11th standard on behalf of Ideal Institute of Commerce and Genius School of Commerce. We are going to start the SP subject of 11th Commerce and the chapter number 2, Effective Letter Writing in its various style. If you watch the previous 2 lectures of such topic also, we discussed how the letter writing origins, कैसे एक letter writing का origin हुआ, जन्म हुआ, in which we, if you remembered, we talked about that the king and emperors used to peasants to convey their messages from one place to another place, and then after in the British rule, the post and telegram services are started, and then after the independence, India also worked on to enhance the letter writing services. And today, the modified form of letter writing is electronic mail, email, through which we, with the help of electronic devices, we convey or pass the letters through the help of the modern gadgets. Then after we studied what is the correspondence. Correspondence means when we are using the letter writing form to convey the message. And what is the business correspondence? When such letter writing is used to convey the message with the business, it's called business correspondence. Then we studied about the effective or the characteristics of the effective business letter or business correspondence. Then we talked about the correctness, clarity, conciseness, consideration, courtesy. There are the major 7 points which we included. The basic features or the characteristics of effective letter writing. Today's topic is the various styles of business letter. Each business firm adopt the style of business letter according to their tradition, custom and convenience. हर बिजनेस फर्म अपने ट्रेडिशन के हिसाब से, अपनी इजीनेस के हिसाब से, अपनी कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से लेटर राइटिंग की स्टाइल को चूज करती है. मेजरली जो लेटर राइटिंग के फॉर्म दिए हुए हैं, फुली ब्लॉक स्टाइल, मॉडिफाइड ब्लॉक स्टाइल, सेमी इंडेंटेड स्टाइल, fully indented style, hanging indented style and Noma style. If there is a question asked, state the name of the styles of business letter, you have to reply that answer: the fully blocked style, modified block style, semi indented style, fully indented style, hanging indented style and Noma style. As per your syllabus, we will discuss in detail only fully black and modified block style of business letter. Firstly, fully blocked style of business letter. It is the most modern style. If there is the question arises, which style of letter is modern style or most modern style, your answer will be fully blocked style of business letter is the most modern style of letter writing. Date, inside address, solution, body of letter, complimentary clause and signature are written on the left side of the letter. हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ लेटर पे सारी चीजें अवेलेबल होती हैं. नो पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स आर यूज्ड इन सच स्टाइल. पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स यू कैन से दैट व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द इन्वर्टेड कॉमास एंड सच काइंड ऑफ फॉर हाइलाइटिंग एनी टॉपिक, such kind of are not used in such letter. All details are written on the left side of the letter, so right side as found unused. सब चीजें, सारा मैटर लेफ्ट साइड पे अवेलेबल होता है, राइट साइड ब्लैंक माना जाता है. इट इज क्वाइट इजी टू टाइप इन दिस स्टाइल. सारा मैटर लेफ्ट साइड रहता है, तो एक ही साइड से हमें सारी टाइपिंग करनी होती है. इसका एक सैंपल वी आर गोइंग टू अटैच इन पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट, सो प्लीज वॉच. When we talk about the second style of business letter, it is the modified blocked style of business letter. It is the most popular method. Here the 2 questions arises which make the confusion among the students. Ki when we ask the question most modern style, so don't try to communicate or coordinate with the modified blocked style of letter. नहीं, modern style तो fully blocked है और popular जो है वो modified blocked style है. Got it answer? Inside address, solution and the main part of the letter are written on the left side of the letter. Address, solution और main part ये सब आपको लेफ्ट साइड लिखने हैं। डेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज मीन्स जैसे अपन एंड में लिखते हैं थैंक्स और समथिंग, यू आर ऑबीडिएंट, यू आर फेथफुली, सच काइंड ऑफ। एंड सिग्नेचर्स जो है वो राइट साइड रहते हैं। पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन दिस लेटर, इसमें ध्यान रखना है, इसमें यूज नहीं होता है, इसमें यूज होता है। ऑल डिटेल्स ऑफ द लेटर आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बोथ द साइड, इसमें दोनों साइड पे बराबर वेटेज रहता है, लेफ्ट और राइट इक्वली, सो ये बैलेंस्ड रहता है। सैंपल ऑफ सच स्टाइल इज आल्सो अटैच्ड इन पीडीएफ, यू कैन वॉच इजीली। सो today the chapter number 2 is completed, in which we completed or included all the topics. So the further exercise will be involved in the next lectures. Thank you.